Okay, let's move on with the chapter. Welcome to crop production and management part 4. Let's go. Okay, so we were here about the plowshare and the plow shaft, if I'm correct. Right, so let's revise a little bit. We talked about plowshare. Plowshare is a strong triangular iron grip called it's plowshare. And plow shaft is the main part of a plow, which is the long log of wood. Okay, now before I continue, let's finish this paragraph first and then I'll show you. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. There is a handle. This is one handle at one end of the shaft. Okay, the other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. See, it's placed on the bull's necks, as you can see here, and then the bulls carry out the work because it is much easier. One pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plow. The indigenous wooden plow is increasingly being replaced by iron plows nowadays. Okay, before I continue, I want to show you this. Let's dig in deep into the diagram of the plow. Okay, let's go. So this part, which is on the bull's necks, is called the beam. How do you spell it? B-E-A-M. Beam. Then we have the plow shaft. This part is the plow shaft. This part is the plowshare. Here, wait, let me show you. See, this part is the plow shaft. Okay, keep that in mind. Plow shaft. And this part down here, let's zoom in. This part that's digging into the soil is the plow share. Okay, so I hope that's understood. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, which is hoe. Okay. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad, and bent plate of the iron is fixed to one of its ends and acts like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Okay, now this diagram is quite important to learn it. So this part is the grip which you hold the hoe. This is the handle. This is the beam. This is the rod. This portion is the rod, and this portion is the bent plate. Okay, so now let's move on to our next topic, that is cultivator. Okay, cultivator.